So, welcome everybody to Shakespeare 2026. It's a project by Casa Shakespeare. It was born to promote Shakespeare here in Italy. We are a professional theatrical company performed in English, both in English and in Italian. And we are really proud to dedicate the next year who is coming to our bard. We will do it with a performance, each month a different performance about Shakespeare, both sometimes in English, sometimes in Italian. While at the beginning of each month we have the walking tour both in Venice and in Verona, and our Shakespeare Interactive Museum, the immersive experience. So there's a lot of joy and enthusiastic way to discover Shakespeare here in Italy, here in Verona and in Venice. And please join us, because this day is the 4th of December and is the day in which Casa Shakespeare was born in 2014. So it's 11 years that we are here working on it, get in touch also with the Shakespeare's Globe, and we would like really to flew in this incredible journey of Shakespeare 2026.